You can see on the screen that I have edited these amazing images in just few seconds using Adobe Firefly's Generative Fill tool, which is no less than Adobe Photoshop tool. You can see we can change or remove the background of an image. We can insert anything we want in our image. We can modify the clothes and hair color. Literally, there are no limits to what you can do. So hello wonderful people, I am Vishwa and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Without further delay, let's get started. So this is the website I was talking about, firefly.adobe.com. I will provide the link of this website in the description. You can just click on that link and it will take you to this website. After coming to the website, you just need to sign up with your Google account. Now you can access this website directly. There is no wait list. So here you can see here are different tools: text to image, generative fill, text effects, and generative recolor. So I have already uploaded one Hindi video which explains the text to image, text effects, and generative recolor tools. So if you are a Hindi speaker, so you can watch that video. You can check the I button of this video or the description of this video. Those tools are also very good. They are very different. I recommend you to watch that video after watching this video if you are a Hindi speaker. So the tool which we are going to see today in this video is Generative Fill. You can see, use a brush to remove object or paint in new ones from the text description. I'll just click on generate here, and here is the tool, Generative Fill. First of all, you can see here we can upload the image or we can drag the image here, or below you can see many images. So either you can upload your own image or you can use these existing images. So firstly I will show you editing one of the existing image, and later I will show you uploading the image and editing uploaded image. So I'll just try this. Yeah, so here it is. So now you can see editor is open. Here are different options. At the left hand side you can see insert, remove, and pan. So if you want to insert anything in this image, so we will click on this insert. If you want to remove something, then we will just click on this remove. And if you want to move this canvas, so we can just click on pan and we can just move this circle and it will move. So I'll just click on insert first. So here you can see different option: add, subtract, settings, background, and invert. So first of all, what we will do, first of all we will remove the background and we will change the background. So here you can see background option. Just click on that background and your background will be removed. Here you can see your background is removed now, and here is the text box. Here you can write down what kind of background you want. So I'll just write down space background. You can write down any background, it's on you. Space background. I'll just click on generate. It takes some seconds. Yeah, here you can see we got 4 options here. We can select which we like. So if you like one of these 4 images, you can just select that image and click on keep. And if you don't like, so you can just click on more, so that it will recommend us more backgrounds. So I just clicked on more and more backgrounds are generating. So I like this, so I'll just click on keep now. So this is our new background now. Isn't it good? Now we just removed the background. Now we can change the clothes, we can change the hair color. Okay, many things we can do. So let's do what I will do now. I want to change the this cloth. So I have already clicked on insert. Now here you can see add, subtract, and settings. So if you click on settings, so here you can see brush settings. You can read this. So if I just click on settings, so here you will see brush size, brush hardness, brush opacity. So based on your requirement you can just adjust this setting. Now if I just take my cursor to this image, you can see this is my brush. Okay, but I think this brush is size is high, so I can just go to settings, brush size. I can just increase or decrease the size. I want the small size of brush. Okay, so I'll just make it 22 and I'll just brush this cloth properly. So you can see the cloth is getting erased. What I will do instead, I'll just change this jacket. Okay, if you go to the settings, so here is the brush hardness as well. If you want the hardness very high, so you can make it 100 or you can keep it 50 as well. So this is only 50, so I'm just erasing the jacket. I want to make her wear different color jacket or different jacket. Okay, so I just erase the jacket, and now I will write down here black hard space jacket, and I'll just click on generate. So you can see the jacket has changed. Cool, right? So I'll just keep this jacket. Now I want to make her wear a space helmet. So helmet we wear in the head area. Now, like I'll just make the circle with the brush. If you go wrong while brushing, so you can just click on clear. And while brushing, you can see that I erase some part of face here. Okay, so here is the option of subtract. You can just click on subtract. So just go to that area which you want to fix. So I'm just going there, and I'm just clicking there. You can see. So that's all. Now I'll just write down wearing space helmet. Just wait for some seconds. Yeah, so you can see, so we got her wearing a helmet. Great. I'll keep this. Interesting, right? So we have edited this image and it's looking very good, right? I really feeling like she is an astronaut. What do you think? So same settings you will see in remove as well, and I told you about pan. Now here you can see the invert. So I just want that only this head should be part of the image. So what I will do, I will just click on insert, and here is the brush we have. So I'll just erase this head area with helmet. And if you just click on invert here, so it will just show you that part. So what does invert do? So invert, it just invert, like if we erase some part and if you click on invert, it will just show that part and remaining part will be removed. Here you can see. And if you want to add something, so you can do that as well. I'll just click on clear. I just like this. And if you like this image, so here at the right hand side you can just click on this download. Just click on continue and this image will be downloaded. Image looks great, right? Now let's upload our own image and edit that image. Okay, so here just go back and click on upload image. Now what I will do, first I'll just remove the background. I want to make this actor villageable. I'll just write down riverside background greenery realistic. Here you can see, here is the filter option. If you just click on the filter option, so here we can see match shape, match the image to your selection shape, freeform, conform. After that, preserved content, choose how much of the original content will kept in the generated image. So you want like how much our image should be close to the original or how much it should be new. So you can adjust this here, but I don't want to keep it original. I want to make it new. I'll just move to new. Here is the guidance strength. Determine how closely the generated content keeps to the prompt. So how much it should follow the this prompt. I want that it should follow the prompt at least 50% or 60%. Okay, changes are done. I'll just click on generate now. Wow, I like this background. I will just go with this background and I'll click on keep now. Now I want to change the cloth. Okay, so I'll just will go to setting, will decrease the brush size. and I want to make her wear the village clothes. Okay, so I'm just erasing. So if this image gets hide, so you can just scroll up, and I want her wearing earrings as well. So I'll just give one point to the ear. Now just write down the prompt. So our output is getting generated. I don't like this much. I'll just click on cancel. So I'm just changing the setting. What I did, I just made this preserve content completely new. Okay, and guidance strength also to completely towards prompt. Now let's try changing the prompt again. Wearing, mute colors, gown, village girl, India, realistic. Now just click on generate. So I find this good. Okay, quite simple. So let's go with this. Okay, so I'll just click on keep now. Yeah, so this is our image. This is our final image. Like we just transformed that modern girl into this we can say she's looking exactly like a village girl, but we tried by doing more things, like by trying more prompts, we can achieve that completely village girl as well. If you like, so you can just download, as I said earlier as well. This is our final output. So that was it. Hope you like this tutorial. If you want to know more about other AI tools from Firefly, then click on the left video. Or if you want to explore one more AI image generation and editing tool, then click on the right video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much for watching.